After conclusion of arguments in the Sharon murder case today, the Neyyathinkara Additional Sessions Court pronounced the sentence for SS Grishma and others who were accused in the case. Now, Sessions Court pronounced capital punishment for Grishma. Court also congratulated the Kerala police for unravelling the entire conspiracy. In fact, court said that it cannot give leniency to Grishma for her age, and this is in fact a rarest of rare case. Remember, Grishma was found guilty of abduction, poisoning, murder of her partner and for misleading the police. Grishma's uncle and third accused, Nirmal Kumaran Nair, was also convicted for evidence tampering, while her mother Sindhu, the second accused, was acquitted due to lack of evidence. Now, it is believed that Sharon, a final year BSc radiology student, met Grishma, a literature student, during their time at a private college in Kanyakumari. The two were reportedly friends. The prosecution alleged that Grishma, the convict here, wanted to end the relationship after her family arranged marriage for her to another person, and she therefore conspired with her uncle and her mother to kill Sharon Raj. My colleague Vivek joining us with more details. Vivek, we now know that Grishma has been pronounced guilty, and the court, knowing that she is a relatively younger person, did not believe that she should not get harshest of punishments. When you look at what she's done and her role as described by the Kerala police, not only did she murder the person she supposedly loved, who loved her back, but also conspired to get rid of all the evidence.
Yes, and that's precisely the reason why the Neyyathinkara Sessions Court has said that this is the rarest of the rare case. Now, remember, the court said that Grishma has betrayed Sharon's trust, even on his deathbed. After poisoning, that Sharon continued to love Grishma and hoped she would not punish. She would not be punished. The court stated in the 586-page verdict. Remember, the court also upheld the prosecution's argument that Grishma had attempted to kill Sharon while continuing their romantic relationship, and that she had exhibited a cruel and heartless mindset. Remember, this is the most important part of this 586-page verdict. That even after knowing, that she was in a relationship with Sharon, that she had cheated him brutally, but the defense had argued that she was educated and she had to complete her course. Also said that in the final statement given by Sharon Raj, her name was not mentioned. Now, this was one of the most important points which the defense has been making right from the beginning, but the court did not listen to this. Court did not, take this argument, because there are very crucial evidences right from the beginning, especially WhatsApp chats and Telegram chats, which has clearly proved that it was Sharon, Grishma, SS Grishma, who was plotted this murder. Remember, marriage was fixed with an army man based out in Nagarkoil. Her parents, especially her mother and uncle, has been pressurizing her right from the beginning to stop this relationship. And then finally, she had to take up this particular case, this particular motto to kill her boyfriend. The court has also cited 48 pieces of circumstantial evidence against Grishma and stated that there was no obstacles to awarding him the maximum punishment to the accused. Now, Grishma's suicide attempt was a tactic to divert the investigation. She planned the murder in stages. Grishma has a criminal background. Remember, the defense has been saying right from the beginning that she did not have a criminal background. Now, this was completely been downplayed by the court, and the court said that the juice challenge incident isn't evident for her. Remember, she had twice before this, she had tried to kill him. Once, by mixing poison in juice, and the second time again she continued the same thing, and the third time she mixed this poison with an Ayurvedic medicine, and that's how she killed him. So remember, after consuming this poison, Sharon Raj was in hospital for 11 days. He was in a situation where he could not even take any kind of liquid, not even water, for 11 days. It was the support of glucose that he was sustaining his life, and it was in the 12th day that he died. Now, the first accused is Grishma as far as this case is concerned. Her uncle Nirmala Kumaran Nair, the third accused, was found guilty in this case. Now, Grishma was also convicted under multiple sections of the IPC, including murder 302, while her uncle was convicted under Section 201 for destroying the evidence. Now, this is particularly the reason why this case has been considered as the rarest of the rare case. Now, remember, in this case, the defense argued for leniency, claiming that the murder was justifiable because Sharon allegedly
Right.
possessed intimate photos of Grishma when they were together. The investigation officer, however, clarified there was no evidence to support the claims of blackmail. So all their arguments, the arguments of the defense, had been falling flat as far as this case is concerned. And finally, the Sessions Court has ordered for capital punishment as far as this case is concerned.